Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi, Mr. Levin. Hi. 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 Do you want this? Yeah. Good job. Good. Good job, Levin. Good. Good job, buddy. Yay, Blackberry. You did it. Good job, Levin. I'm so proud of you. You're crawling. Hi. Yay. Hello, my precious boy. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Do you want this? Do you want that? What do you think? Maybe? Maybe? Maybe not? It's your favorite toy. What? What is it? What? Oh my goodness, yeah.
Mommy!
Yeah, it's a mommy.
Daddy!
And a daddy, you're right.
It's not only birds who lay eggs and nest, you know. My nest is a
There
different
you go, Levin. You wanna come get it? Good. Good job, Levin. Yay! Good rocking.
This must be the best bower in the whole forest.
Good job, Levin. Good job.
The bower is fantastic. This
Good, baby.
finally Freddy.
Good, Levin. Yay! Your favorite toy. Good job. Good job. Good job. I love you, baby. I'm so proud of you. So proud of you.